Get ready. Start. In Ghaziabad, execution petitions have been pending since 1993. Stop. We don't even know when the arbitration began. Nobody is coming with a roadmap. Stop. The CJ ought to have come up with a roadmap. Stop. It is shocking that execution petitions have been pending since 1993. Stop. Commercial appeals have been pending since 2011. Stop. If commercial disputes are not disposed of at the earliest, it may affect the economy of the country. Stop. It may spoil the business relation between the parties. Stop. It may also affect the ease of doing business. Stop. Para. It cannot be disputed that the Arbitration Act was brought into force and has been amended for speedy disposal of commercial dispute because of the pendency of cases before the ordinary civil courts for a number of years. The commercial disputes remain pending. Stop. With similar object and purpose, the Parliament came out with the Commercial Courts Act. Stop. The Parliament, in its wisdom and with a view to see that commercial litigation are decided at the earliest, came out with an amendment in Arbitration Act and Commercial Courts by which it is mandated that arbitration proceeding and proceedings before commercial courts are decided preferable within 1 year. Stop. Para. Earlier, the monetary limit for commercial courts was 1 crore. Now it has been reduced to 3 lakhs. Stop. So the litigation in the commercial courts have increased. Stop. The legislature has to see to this and come up with an amendment. Stop. If it is 3 lakhs, then what is the difference between a normal court and a commercial court? Stop. Para. At present, we do not propose to enter into the reason why such a large number of execution petitions and applications under Section 34 of the Act are kept pending. Stop. At the same time, the day has come to take corrective measures, and for that purpose, the concerned High Court has to prepare a roadmap and take a call how the problem of pendency of execution proceedings to execute the awards passed under Section 34 are decided and disposed of at the earliest, so that ultimate object and purpose of Commerce Court is achieved. Stop. Para. We request the Chief Justice to constitute a committee of the judges of the High Court and invite the suggestions for a roadmap on how to tackle the arrears. Stop. The High Court has to prepare a roadmap for early disposal of the commercial dispute if the faith of the litigants in the institution as a whole is to be maintained. Stop. Over.